Hi, I'm Rich Kreitz. I'm the General Sales Manager at Key Chrysler in Xenia. Today I'd like to show you how to successfully pair your cell phone to your car radio. In this example, we're going to use the Chrysler Pacifica with the UConnect 8.4 system. The first thing we need to do is find the apps icon, and it's right in the middle on the bottom, so we're going to push that. And then we need to find the phone icon, and that's in the upper right. Now it asks us, would you like to pair a phone? And the answer is yes, so let's go ahead and push the yes button here. The next thing we need to do is bring out our cell phone and find the settings icon, and we're going to push settings, then push Bluetooth, and you can see the UConnect does pop up. Well, let's go ahead and push UConnect, and now it says please confirm displayed PIN that matches your device. And that is correct, so let's go ahead and hit pair on the phone, and then we're going to push yes on the radio, and you can see the Bluetooth pairing is in progress. This should take just a few seconds, and now Bluetooth pairing is successful. And it's just that easy. If you have any questions though, please give us a call at 937-372-4451, and we will be glad to help you. Thanks for watching.